Welcome to a new video from EU Dromeport. In this video, we will explore a crucial requirement for certifying Class 5 and Class 6 drones designed for SDS-01 and SDS-02 scenarios. To grasp this requirement better, let's start with a simple concept: situational awareness. Situational awareness, for a pilot, means having a mental image of how the drone's location, flight conditions, configuration, and aircraft status relate to safety factors like nearby terrain, obstacles, airspace, and weather. To build this awareness, the pilot follows these steps. First, collect information from the surroundings. Next, merge it with their internal knowledge to create a mental picture of the current situation. After that, use this picture for ongoing scanning. And last, anticipate future events. This is all about having the right information. Safe flight depends on data from various sources, but this video focuses on what the aircraft provides. HMI, which stands for Human-Machine Interface, is like the control center that lets you talk to a machine, software, or system, such as a drone. Think of it as a dashboard showing live data and giving you the power to control the device using a user-friendly interface. Consider a car, a pretty intricate machine. The driver handles the engine, steering, lights, AC, music system, and more. It works like this. Speed info is on the speedometer. Music, lights, and AC are at your fingertips through buttons or a touchscreen. The accelerator gets the engine going, and the steering wheel steers. Now picture having all that control and data about your car's performance right on one screen. That's what a drone's control interface should be like. Everything you need to fly and manage the drone. When building a drone's interface, it's vital to focus on safety and user-friendliness. This means helping the pilot navigate both routine and tricky situations effectively. To achieve this, the manufacturer should consider things like using friendly colors and graphics, making dynamic elements clear, providing helpful warnings and alarms, choosing the right font size and style, using sounds and messages that make sense, offering support info, organizing menus logically, and ensuring easy screen navigation. In a nutshell, a user-friendly interface minimizes mistakes and stress, setting one drone apart from another, even if they share similar features. So here's the takeaway. According to the rules, C5 drones need to give the pilot the following info during the flight, presented clearly and concisely: how high the drone is above the ground or takeoff point, where the drone is on the map, and how fast it's flying. Point 2 and 3 are only for C6 drones. Manufacturers need to make sure this data is easy to access on the interface, following the best design practices for a safer operation. Confusing data on the flight interface can lead to accidents. For instance, if the units aren't clear, a pilot might misjudge speed or altitude, thinking it's ground level when it's actually sea level. So, in conclusion, clarity is key for safety. For more information regarding essential flight information, key data points for Class C5 and Class C6 drone manufacturers, visit eudromeport.com or click the link in the description. Safe flights.